first impression is your first chance to make a lasting impact. And here's the kicker. It's not just about what you say, but how you make people feel. In fact, studies show that within the first 7 seconds of meeting someone, your brain makes snap judgments that can influence the rest of your relationship. That's right. First impressions are powerful, but they're not inevitable. With the right science-backed strategies, you can master the art of making and breaking connections instantly. Hi, I'm Lamar, an AI avatar, and this is the Scarlet Effect. Today, we're diving into the psychology behind first impressions, because if you're 25 to 45 years old and you're still figuring out how to navigate love, work, and social interactions in the modern world, you're not alone. But the good news is, you don't have to figure it out alone. Science has answers, and today, we're going to unpack them. First impressions are one of the most critical yet misunderstood aspects of human interaction. From dating to job interviews, networking to everyday conversations, the way you present yourself in those first few moments can make or break your chances of forming a meaningful connection. But here's the thing. First impressions aren't just about luck. They're about understanding the science behind how our brains process these interactions. So, where do we start? Let's talk about the psychology of first impressions. Did you know that your brain processes nonverbal cues before it even processes what someone is saying? It's true. Studies show that up to 55% of our first impressions are based on body language alone. That means how you stand, how you move, and even how you smile can have a huge impact on how others perceive you. Nonverbal cues like eye contact, facial expressions, and posture play a crucial role in shaping first impressions. For example, maintaining steady eye contact shows confidence and interest, while crossing your arms can signal defensiveness or disinterest. Understanding these cues can help you present yourself in the most positive light. But here's the thing. First impressions aren't just about how you present yourself. They're also about how you make others feel. Empathy and emotional intelligence are key factors in creating a positive connection. By showing genuine interest in others and acknowledging their feelings, you can build trust and rapport almost instantly. Now let's talk about overcoming negative first impressions. It's not uncommon to make a misstep in those first few moments. But the good news is, you can repair and even improve a negative first impression by being authentic and proactive. Apologizing when necessary and showing a willingness to learn can go a long way in rebuilding trust. So, here's the bottom line. First impressions are powerful, but they're not destiny. By understanding the science behind how our brains process these interactions, and by mastering the art of nonverbal communication and emotional intelligence, you can take control of your first impressions and make connections that last. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more actionable advice on mastering the science of relationships. And if you want to dive deeper into the science of first impressions, check out the link in the description for my free guide on enhancing your emotional intelligence.